Welcome to this RMS video where we will show you how to set up the actions within the RMS system. So first of all we click on Tools and Setup, and then we go on to Actions. So let's create a new action. We click on New and enter a name. The name here is Video Tutorial Action. We click on OK. So this action is given an ID number and a name, and it is applicable in here. We click on the button and we can define in what groups we want it to be applicable in. So here we want it to be applicable within the whole group, so we click on Join Group, OK. And at this moment in time it is not used. So what are the various actions that we can trigger? We can trigger an email that can be sent. We can trigger a switch relay, and we can trigger the sending data via TCP. So if we want to send an email, click on the Send Email button and we add a recipient. So we can choose either James or Mike Brown. We choose Mike Brown, click on OK. If we have a webcam in the system, we can also send out, along with information, we can also send out pictures. So the webcam would take a print screen. We simply need for that the RMS converter and the webcam URL and the login information. We will send out the chart then. We have the possibility to send the point chart as an attachment or within the email, and we can say over what time span. Then we can say we repeat every X amount of minutes, or until the alarm ends, or until the alarm is reset. We also have the possibility to switch a relay. At this moment in time I don't have a relay added to the system, so I won't add it, but we can basically trigger an alarm, lights, music, anything like that with the relay. And we can also send data via TCP. By sending data via TCP, we can actually control devices. So here we are simply sending out an email to Mike Brown within this video tutorial. Action, we can update it to say it's a email and click on Save. When we go then back under our alarm schemes, we already set one up for another video. We can then say, as soon as, for this alarm here, so fridge monitoring between 2 and 8 degrees, as soon as there is a warning or an alarm, I can define the action, and this is video tutorial action email. I can define this for both the warning and the alarm, and click on Save. This means that whenever this alarm goes off, the person, so Mike Brown, will receive an email about the alarm. Okay, thank you very much for watching.